Welcome back to Stockman Originals.
Yes. This is the day we've all been waiting for. Or I have been anyway, because it's kind of exciting.
So this is the raffle draw. By the way, this is Rudy right here.
Rudy.
That was Roscoe.
Jesse's down here. You can't see her yet.
George is in the other room.
They're all here.
But what we're doing today is drawing a winner for the basket from the basket.
Oh, yes, from the basket. We've stirred them about, we've shaken them about.
So this was, we've printed out all the comments on the video of making the basket. That was how you entered.
Mm-hmm. And thank you for participating. Yeah. That was a lot of fun.
And please do comment on the videos because we really enjoy interacting with you that way.
It keeps me busy. Because I do try to answer everybody.
There's Georgia.
Georgia, and she found the last available stuffy.
Yes. We have to take the stuffies away from Georgia because she rips them apart.
She doesn't like them stuffies. Yeah, so anyway, this is good fun. And Rudy.
Okay, Rudy.
Yeah.
Why don't you lay down?
Good boy. So, shall we? Oh, this is Roscoe's way of
Yes, that was Roscoe growling.
All right. So,
all right.
Shall we do this?
Yes.
All right. Good luck, everybody.
All right. Really digging around. All right.
Only one.
I feel like I was like, I'm not going to choose one from the top. I'll choose one from the bottom, but that's just equally as unfair. So, okay, this is the one.
Okay, the one.
And the winner is, drum roll.
Oh, where's my drum?
Oh,
rat. Never mind. Moving right along.
We do have a drum.
Yes.
The winner, get down. Good boy. The winner is Moose Rusticus 6890.
Very good.
I think I pronounced that right. Moose Rusticus, superb and surprisingly neat when finished. I live in the UK, by the way, so don't worry about including me in the draw.
No.
The postage would be enormous. Happy New Year to you both, and indeed to everyone. And I remember commenting back and saying, "Hey, you never know, you might win, and if you do, we'll figure it out. We'll send it to you." I mean, it's not very heavy. So
fun.
But this was absolutely a random draw. So that's kind of funny because I distinctly remember replying and say, "Hey, you never know."
Yeah. Well, I was wishing everybody good luck.
Yeah.
Worked on him.
So congratulations, Moose Rusticus. We will reach out to you and seriously, we'll send it to you.
Yeah. Might get stuck with a Stockman original shot glass too, if that's all right.
Yeah. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Yeah. Thanks for humoring us.
We will be back with a lot more coming up.
Yeah. I've got a license to fly now.
He did add the ability to upload videos straight from the YouTube Studio app, so you might have noticed that Brian's been uploading some videos straight from the shop, which is pretty cool, and we'll have lots more of those, plus some of the longer videos as well.
Those are more fun because Max gets in on that.
So until next time, thanks for watching Stockman Originals. Just realized I forgot to prove that that is indeed the comment that won. So
They know you didn't change it.
yeah. That's the one. Congratulations, Mus Rusticus 6890.